tried to see the world from a new perspective? Because the MSI Project Zero motherboards with back connect support definitely have.
I'm sorry I'm late. This is what you wanted, right?
I said backwards, Nico.
This is backwards.
You literally never listen.
What are you talking about?
Step in every
No.
How did your show get weirder than mine? I try so hard.
Was that the professor? What's up, everybody? I'm Tori, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. If you were to design something as innovative as a micro ATX back connect board, you would probably want to put that in a case that offers the best support for that board. So today, we're going to be unboxing both the B650M Project Zero motherboard and the MAG PANO P100PZ case. Boy, that's a mouthful, which offers support for back connection. MSI has been one of our favorite brands to build with, and they're releasing a few products to help your next teeny tiny micro ATX build look as good as it runs. There's actually a few different motherboard options you can pick up, including a Z790 option and a B760M option for you as well. But after today's episode, we'll be putting together a little PC build of our own, which features these two components. And it would be pretty hard to put those together with these guys still in their boxes. So let's go ahead and change that and unbox this. I think I can open it up from the top. Okay, see, I did this smart. It's coming out. It immediately backfires. Because this has back support, so just push it from the back. Okay, actually, even though that was a lot of effort, that's probably the quickest I've ever gotten a case out. Ooh, this is so cute! Dude, heck yeah! I'm normally just the one that unboxes cases. I normally don't get to build things, and the fact that I get to build in this is sweet. Ooh, oh, okay, there it is. I was wondering where all of our little quick installation guides were. They're right in the case. I'm in love with this tempered glass. This is how you show off a build. Here are some of your PC case cords. Oh, heck yeah, the back part is toolless. Oh yeah, you do have all your case screws back here, sweet. There's your bag of screws for extra support, so you got everything you need in here. Actually, I think we should get a sneak peek of this. Obviously, we're gonna talk more about it, but this is where you have some of that back connection support, because you already have some of the PC case stuff already plugged in here. So once you have your PSU plugged in, it's just giving power to all those little back connections. So that's it for your case. You have the case itself, your installation guide, and your screws. And that's it. We gotta unbox this motherboard next. Okay, so next up we have this B650M Project Zero motherboard. And this one's gonna be little, sweet. Okay, I love when brands stick to a theme. And this Project Zero line is sweet. Oh, dude, this is beautiful. I love when they do an M.2 heatsink like this that's cohesive. This is sick. Oh my God, okay. I can't stop looking at this. I love the silver. This is beautiful. And then just imagine this inside the case. That's gonna look lovely. And then even all the connections on this too. Dang, you can put a lot of power in this. Since this motherboard has back connection support, look, that's where it is. I was feeling like something was missing just because of how sleek it looks. Everything is on the back. You have your SATA, all of your little fan connectors where your PSU is gonna plug in. Dude, that's so cool. And then in the box, it looks like we have our Wi-Fi antennas and then your SATA cables. Yay, they did give us stickers. I'm gonna keep these. Don't tell anyone that I unbox stickers because I'm just gonna keep these for myself. Look it. Look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Because what's missing?
That's gonna be so pretty.
Wow.
I know.
Yeah.
So then you have like a bunch of your hubs and stuff here.
Wow.
And that's why it's more open too, so that way you can have all your wiring just like back here.
That's slick.
Sweet, and then it looks like that's all there is to it for our motherboard. You have your installation guide, the motherboard itself, your SATA cables, your Wi-Fi antennas. We have part of our build right here, and I am just about ready to start putting this all together, but first, we better talk about what these two pieces are gonna be bringing. Let's start by talking through the B650M Project Zero motherboard. We'll get to its incredible back connect design, but first, let's go over some of the features that you can expect to go along with it. This board features some of the latest innovations in PC technology, things like extended heatsink design, the latest DDR5 memory, and M.2 shield to make sure your SSDs are safe and running at maximum speed. There's also support for the latest Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit LAN to deliver a better networking experience. And speaking of fast, there's also connectivity options like a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 port, which offers a 20 gigabytes per second transmission speed, plus memory boost technology and a Lightning Gen 4 solution. Basically, everything on this board will run quickly and efficiently from your storage to your RAM to even your USB connection. For even more specificity, we'll show you all the connections on the screen now. Personally, I appreciate the HDMI 2.1 port because your girl loves a 4K output at a 144 Hz refresh rate. But the coolest part of this motherboard is the ability to connect from the back of the board. As you can see here, you can move the connectors to the other side and you can really simplify your cable management. Not only does this provide some interesting aesthetic options, but you don't have to worry about motherboard clutter on a micro ATX build. We love a teeny tiny little computer, but we also don't want it to look like a mess, so this is one of the best new innovations in PC technology in recent years. And speaking of the best new innovations in PC technology in the recent years, let's talk about the MAG PANO M100 series gaming case. This case was practically designed for micro ATX back-connect motherboard compatibility. No, wait, this case was designed practically for micro ATX back-connect motherboard compatibility. This support means your mini PC doesn't even need to have all of its cabling done inside of your build, thanks to its integrated support with this case. And if you look on the back, you can see that there's this handy hook and loop tape to help tie cables easily. Now, since your cables will look all nice and tiny, why not show them off with this amazing 270-degree reinforced glass design, which provides a gorgeous panoramic view of the interior without any metal or other obstructions at the corners. Enjoy a seamless look at all your RGB glory without any attention drawn to those pesky cables in the back.
Say, Tori, how'd that look in a full build?
I don't know. Do you think maybe I should film a full PC build and then release that to the Newegg Studios channel next week?
Yeah, that's a great idea. Did you start already? Wait, I'm not standing behind the preview window again, am I?
That looks so fun. A few other things to note with this case. There are 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans in this case, 3 of which are reverse blade fans here on the side. These fans enhance airflow and add some fun aesthetic to your build. This build can fit GPUs up to 390mm and power supplies that are up to 200mm. And the bottom of this case also has a magnetic dust filter for easy removal and cleaning. If you want to pick up either of these for yourself, I'd just go ahead and buy the other one as well. And you can get them both right now on Newegg.com. Thank you so much for watching. We just unboxed this.